Hi everyone, so today I want to share with you my beginner's curly routine. I've been processing my hair for 16 years between relaxers, straighteners, Brazilian blowouts, keratin treatments, and I decided about 5 months ago I would begin my curly journey to restore my tight boricua ringlets. Growing up, I felt my curly hair was not beautiful. I felt like everyone around me had beautiful, lush, straight hair, so I straightened my hair. At first, not straightening my hair was hard, but now I am feeling more empowered than ever. I want to share some products I've been using that have helped me. Keep in mind, I'm not an expert. I'm still learning and discovering what works for my hair. My natural curl pattern at my roots, I think, is between a 3B and a 3C, while my damaged ends are about a 2C. I'll know more as my hair grows out completely, and no, I'm not doing the chemical chop anytime soon, but maybe one day. If you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe down below and don't forget to give this video a like. So let's get started. I'm going to share my wash day routine and some tips that have helped me along the way of my curly journey. I wash my hair once a week. I'm not following the curly method, FYI, not just yet, but I have taken a few tips from it. I'm starting off with olaplex. This is great for all hair types. It helps strengthen and protect damaged hair by relinking broken bonds caused by chemical damage. You want to apply to wet hair and let it sit for 10 minutes. I like to apply a face mask and then turn off the water, dance to some music, sit on my phone, just something to pass the time. After 10 minutes, rinse it out, and now we're gonna shampoo. So I recently started using Ouidad products, I hope I said that right, and I have noticed a dramatic difference in the texture of my curls. I'm starting with the advanced climate control. This is an anti-frizz technology and it makes my hair so soft. I'm using this little shampoo scrubber and it helps to massage the scalp, create blood circulation, and make sure that I thoroughly cleanse. Just a note, it's a very soft gel. It's not like a hard plastic, so it won't hurt your scalp or anything. Next, I'm going to condition with the Ouidad Curl Quencher. This has made my hair so soft. I'm focusing the conditioner on my ends since my ends are the driest, and with my conditioners, I use a detangling comb in the shower just to make sure everything is coated. I like to use a hair mask every other week since I'm only shampooing one time per week. This has Jamaican black castor oil, shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar, which you don't smell the apple cider vinegar, by the way. This helps to restore chemically processed or heat-styled hair. It made my hair feel so soft afterwards. After I rinse out the hair mask, I put my hair in a clip because I like to style my hair wet. You can also use a microfiber towel or a cotton t-shirt if you want to put your hair up to absorb some moisture, but for me, I found leaving my hair wet allows my curls to come out more. The first thing I do out of the shower is add a leave-in conditioner. I bought this one at the drugstore and I have been loving it. It smells very beachy and it gives my hair the moisture it needs and also is great to detangle. Adding a leave-in conditioner definitely changed the way that my curls came out, and I like to finger comb it through the hair, and then after I finger comb and add it into the hair, I'll brush it out so the curls come together. I can't tell you how amazing this humidity gel is. This is a game changer if your hair is frizzy or you live in a humid environment. It's very humid where I live and this has made a noticeable difference in my hair. I'm gonna apply it the same way I did the leave-in conditioner. This is another game changer and it's a random purchase I got at the drugstore, and it is this Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. You're supposed to add a quarter amount per section and it just makes my curls come alive. It looks like a gel, but it doesn't crunch like one. It's softer, if that makes sense. But I section my hair and then I apply it roots to end, and this brings all of my curls out. Again, everyone's hair is different, so just experiment with what works for you. You don't have to add a curl cream, but I like to add curl creams because it gives you a very soft finish versus a gel. So if you want more hold, you can use a gel, but I love the more touchable, just like very fluffy curls. So I apply a small amount all over my hair and I focus it on the ends. Now I like to take a microfiber towel or a cotton t-shirt and scrunch the hair. I've tried both methods. I think they both work great. I find doing this instead of using a traditional towel works better because it helps to reduce frizz and absorb the excess water faster. Towels on my hair made my hair more frizzy. So now you're gonna scrunch the hair, and if your hair is dry, make sure you spritz it with water because personally I've experienced that the more wet the hair is, the more it's gonna scrunch and you're gonna get more of a curl. So you wanna make sure to really take your time and scrunch the hair, absorb all that excess water, and start to make your curls come out. For the front pieces of my hair that have a hard time curling, I'm gonna spiral them with a comb. You can also use your finger, but I've been really into using the comb method. At this point, you can either air dry or diffuse. I'm going to diffuse today on low heat and low air. I like to hold the diffuser for about 10 seconds in each section. This part is really up to you. You can experiment and see what works best. I like to consistently move throughout the hair, and I also like to diffuse upside down because it gives me a little bit more volume. You can see here my curls are starting to come through, but my ends, however, are so damaged that they don't have the same curl pattern as my natural curls. So what I like to do sometimes is to take a really tiny curling wand and curl the front few pieces of my hair. Please skip this step. If you don't want to use any heat on your hair, please don't do this. I like to do it occasionally because it's my hair and I don't really mind to use it on a few pieces, but I just find that it kind of pulls everything together. For extra volume, run your hair up at the roots and it'll give you a little lift. And then if you feel like your hair still has any frizz, you can add a light hair oil. I'm gonna use the Olaplex bonding oil. This is my final dried hair. I am loving discovering new styles such as half up or a messy bun with some pieces hanging out. Comment down below some of your favorite curly products, tips, or any curly hair video requests. Thank you so much for watching and joining me on this curly journey. Be kind in the comments because again, this is very new to me. And remember, have fun, embrace your hair. And even though it's hard to start, I promise you it will be so worth it. And if no one has told you today, your curls are beautiful. Sending you guys all my love and I will see you in my next video.